Hi, it's Isabel at Lloyd South Lakes BMW, and here we have a 120 M Sport finished in black sapphire metallic. It has 18-inch M Light Y-spoke bicolour alloy wheels, and in the rear windows it has sun protection glass, protecting backseat passengers from harmful UV rays, while also adding an element of privacy. It has the M adaptive suspension that can be controlled by the driving mode control buttons. It offers a comfortable yet sporty suspension setup. It has a reverse camera, assisting you with parking and reversing, as it gives you extra visibility to use as well as your mirrors. It has a top speed of 140 mph, and with 168 brake horsepower, it can get from 0 to 62 in 7.8 seconds. Moving on to the interior, it has the Veganza perforated coral red and black upholstery and front heated sport seats, essential for driving in the winter as they're quick heating. If you're interested in learning more about this 120 M Sport, please get in touch via the details provided, or come and visit us at Lloyd South Lakes BMW.